This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Rimo Kadous. Must see. Gorgeous home in the sought-after community of Riverstone. Home barely used as a snowbird home. Brand new condition and spotless clean. The home provide a great open concept floor plan, $60,000 upgrades including the $24,000 screened lanai with a pond view, upgraded kitchen backsplash, frameless glass shower door, granite countertops, slide-in stove, upgraded faucets, and undermount sinks. Water filtration system throughout the entire house. Great community amenities and playground. Great schools. Close to stores and restaurants. For more information, review the details below or contact Rimo Kadous at 727-776-5